Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the screen refresh rate of your device on Samsung devices. So basically, what's the job of the screen refresh rate? So basically, it's going to determine how smooth your device runs. If it's on the low quality, then your device is going to be running slow. That's when you might be having issues of lag sometimes. And if it's on the high quality, that's when your device have a smooth performance. So to do this, you firstly have to go to the settings application. Then on the settings application, you go to display. Then from display, you click on motion smoothness, and you just have to change it on high if you want it to be on the high quality, and put on standard if you want it to be on the low quality. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.